Nduja is a typical Italian deli meat from the Calabria region, where it is traditionally made by grinding the lean and fatty parts of the pig. After salting, the meat is flavored with sweet bell pepper paste and made spicy with the addition of chili pepper before being stuffed and subsequently cured. Levone reinterpreted the traditional product recipe, starting with the careful selection of meats from Italian pigs, for a spicy salami with a soft and spreadable texture that is still easy to cut and portion. It is orange-red in color, with aromas reminiscent of sweet paprika, spices, and seasoned meat. On tasting, it gives an initial sweetness accompanied by intense aromaticity. After that comes the spiciness, which is very present but never overbearing, and which is the real star of this deli meat. Levone Nduja stands out for its versatility. It expresses its full potential in any recipe, allowing any cook to unleash their full creativity. It can be used to flavor simple recipes such as canapés, bruschetta, and eggs, or as the star ingredient in more elaborate preparations such as hamburgers or bagels. It can be blended with other ingredients such as butter to create a soft, tangy cream that can be used on a flame-grilled steak, or to enrich the flavor of grilled vegetables. It is ideal for dissolving in pasta sauces or bolognese, or to enhance a vegetable velloutà or risotto. It can be used as a tasty topping for pizza, pinza, and focaccia. Using it cold will enhance its aromatics, while cooking it will release its spiciness.